Are you looking for the best electrician tool bag? Here we will break down the top 4 electrician tool bag on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Klein Tools 55421 BP 14 Backpack Electrician Tool Bag. If you are interested in a Klein tool bag, then the brand's 55421 BP 14 Backpack Style Electrician Tool Bag might be an ideal companion for all your projects. It has as much as 39 pockets that are roomy enough to store your tools in a secure and well-organized manner. It even features a hard and molded front pocket, which is useful in case you need to store a pair of safety glasses inside. A pocket with a front zipper is also round, which you can use in storing loose parts. You like the sturdy and durable molded base in this electrician's tool bag because it is made in a way that it can protect the item even from the harshest elements. You'll also happy that Klein made use of bright orange color for the bag's interior because it ensures that you can quickly and easily locate your tools. The 1680D ballistic weave material used in constructing this bag also works in enhancing the strength and durability of the item. Equipped with interior pockets and a taller bag, storing and organizing long screwdrivers will also be easy. I can also confirm the ease and convenience that anyone will experience when carrying the bag. It is because of its easy-to-use handles as well as shoulder straps that feature additional padding. At number 2. CLC Custom Leathercraft 1539. The second product on the list comes from Custom Leathercraft 1539, and it has been recognized as the #1 tool bag available on the market by professionals and enthusiasts. They are durable, spacious, and easy to carry around. Moreover, the CLC tool bag features around 50 pockets inside and outside the bag, where you can store plenty of tools. This feature will allow you to stay organized and to properly store your work gear. Once organized, these vertical pockets will grant easy access and keep your tools in clear sight. You don't have to waste your time looking for your items anymore. This bag is made with a heavy-duty poly fabric. The CLC 1539 tool backpack is built to last with its zippered side panels. The bag will help maintain all your tools stored and secured when you are on the move. On the other hand, the good thing about this bag is its large and inner center compartment, and this space can handle large power tools and other different accessories. That's why you can also use the outside compartment including a large carabiner and tape measure clip to save some of your equipment as well. At number 3. Rugged Tools Tool Roll Organizer. Keep all your electrical tools neatly organized for easy access with the Rugged Tools Tool Roll Organizer. It is made from 600G polyester for optimum strength and durability that can stand the test of time. Generally, this tool bag comes with 22 pockets and 10 additional socket holders for you to keep everything organized. It has a dimension of 283 x 143 when unrolled, meaning it is large enough to offer roomy storage capacity. The bag rolls up to a compact size with a top handle for easy and comfortable carrying. As a result, it is suitable for a carpenter, contractor, framer, plumber, and electrician among others. This bag closes easily with quick open buckles to ensure your tools are always at hand. Furthermore, it is backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee to boost your confidence in buying. At number 4. Dual DGL 523 Lighted Tool Backpack. As one of the best tools in our review, this bag will let you hold pliers, wrench sets, testers, extension cords, screwdrivers, and several other tools needed for your project. It features 57 pockets of which 48 are interior, while 9 are exterior. As such, you can be sure to have all tools organized and the frequently used tools at a ready-to-access point. Besides having a bag that will let you remain organized, the bag acts to provide you a wide area of illumination, so that you can easily see your work area or the backpack for you to identify tools fast. This is due to the included LED light that can easily be directed to the workplace or into the backpack. The light can emit 39 lumens of light while getting its power from 2 AA batteries. Once you want to carry this bag, you can be sure to do so comfortably, thanks to the padded web carrying handles and adjustable shoulder straps. The bag also includes large pads on the back to assure you of a back comfort when you carry it. However, it includes padded feet on the bottom that aid in reducing abrasion, while reducing wearing to increase the life of the tool bag.